Welcome to our journey through the skies. Today we're exploring 5 cities with breathtaking aerial views that will leave you in awe. Let's take off. Our first stop is the iconic New York City. From above, the skyline is a mesmerizing maze of towering skyscrapers, including the Empire State Building and the One World Trade Center. The hustle and bustle of the city streets below are beautifully contrasted by the calm of the Hudson River and Central Park's greenery. Next, we fly over Tokyo, Japan's bustling capital. The cityscape is a blend of modernity and tradition, with neon-lit skyscrapers, historical temples. Iconic Tokyo Tower piercing the sky. From the air, you can see the organized chaos of Shibuya Crossing and the serene beauty of the Imperial Palace Gardens. Our third destination is the romantic city of Paris. From above, the Eiffel Tower stands tall as a beacon of elegance, surrounded by historic landmarks like the Arc de Triomphe and the Notre Dame Cathedral. The city's unique blend of art, culture, and history is even more enchanting when viewed from the sky. Next, we soar over Dubai, a city known for its futuristic architecture and opulence. The Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building, dominates the skyline, while the Palm Jumeirah and the luxurious Burj Al Arab offer a glimpse into the city's extravagant lifestyle. The contrast between the desert and the ultra-modern cityscape is truly a sight to behold. Our final stop is the vibrant Rio de Janeiro. From the air, the Christ the Redeemer statue watches over the city with open arms, offering panoramic views of Sugarloaf Mountain and the sprawling beaches of Copacabana and Ipanema. The lush greenery of the Tijuca forest juxtaposes beautifully with the urban landscape. These cities, with their unique blend of architecture, nature, and culture, are truly magnificent when viewed from above. Thanks for joining us on this aerial adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more breathtaking journeys.